Top 8 foods to eat on the keto diet. Eating high-fat, low-carb foods is the principle of a keto diet. Followers of this diet may consume a variety of animal proteins, dairy, vegetables, and other plant-based foods, and fats and oils. While some people on keto count their total carb intake, others count net carbs. Net carbs refer to total carbs minus fiber. That's because fiber is indigestible, so it can't be broken down and absorbed by your body. This diet may seem challenging, but it allows people following it to eat many nutritious foods. Here are 8 healthy foods to eat on the keto diet. Number 1. Seafood. Fish and shellfish are very keto-friendly. Salmon and other fish are not only nearly carb-free, but also rich in B vitamins, potassium, and selenium. However, the carb count in shellfish varies by type. While shrimp and most crabs contain no carbs, oysters and octopus do. You can still eat these foods on the keto diet, but it's important to carefully track these carbs to stay within your range. Additionally, salmon, sardines, mackerel, and other fatty fish are very high in omega-3 fats, which have been associated with lower insulin levels and increased insulin sensitivity in people who are overweight or have obesity. Frequent fish intake is linked to improved brain health and a decreased risk of disease. The American Heart Association recommends that adults over 18 years old eat 8 to 10 ounces of seafood per week. Number 2. Meat and poultry. Meat and poultry are considered staple foods on the keto diet. Fresh meat and poultry contain no carbs and are rich in B vitamins and several important minerals. They're also a great source of high-quality protein, which may help preserve muscle mass during a very low-carb diet. One small study in older women found that a diet high in fatty meat led to 8% higher levels of HDL or good cholesterol than a low-fat, high-carb diet. It may be best to choose grass-fed meat if possible, since it has more omega-3 fats and conjugated linoleic acid or CLA than meat from grain-fed animals. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs are an extremely healthy protein source. Because each large egg contains less than 1 gram of carbs and about 6 grams of protein, eggs can be ideal for keto. In addition, eggs have been shown to trigger hormones that increase feelings of fullness. It's important to eat whole eggs rather than egg whites, since most of an egg's nutrients are found in the yolk. This includes the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect eye health. Although egg yolks are high in cholesterol, they don't appear to increase your risk of heart disease. Number 4. Cheese. There are hundreds of types of cheese, most of which are very low in carbs and high in fat, making them a great fit for the keto diet. Just 1 ounce or 28 grams of cheddar cheese provides 1 gram of carbs, 6 grams of protein, and a good amount of calcium. Cheese is high in saturated fat, but it hasn't been shown to increase your risk of heart disease. In fact, some studies suggest that it may help protect against this condition. Cheese also contains CLA, which has been linked to fat loss and improvements in body composition. In addition, eating cheese regularly may help reduce the loss of muscle mass and strength that occurs with aging. A 12-week study in older adults found that those who ate 7 ounces or 210 grams of ricotta per day experienced less loss in muscle mass and muscle strength than those who didn't eat this amount of cheese. Number 5. Plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. Plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are nutritious, high-protein foods. While they contain some carbs, you can eat them in moderation on keto. Both yogurt and cottage cheese have been shown to help decrease appetite and promote feelings of fullness. Either one makes a tasty snack on its own, but you can combine them with chopped nuts, cinnamon, or other spices to make a quick keto treat. Number 6. Cream and half and half. Cream is composed of the fatty portion of fresh milk that's separated out during milk processing. Half and half, on the other hand, is made of 50% cream and 50% whole milk. Both of these dairy products are very low in carbs and high in fat, making them ideal for keto. Like other fatty dairy products, butter and cream are rich in CLA, which may promote fat loss. Despite this, it is best to enjoy cream and half in moderation. The American Heart Association 2021 dietary guidance states that people should limit foods high in saturated fat. Replacing animal and dairy fat with plant-based sources of fat or polyunsaturated fats is linked with a lower risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke. Some studies have suggested that high-fat dairy products may not be so closely linked to heart disease. Others suggest that a moderate intake of high-fat dairy may reduce your risk of heart attack and stroke. However, the evidence remains inconclusive. This is an area that continues to be under debate and can depend on many factors, such as the level of processing food has gone through. Number 7. Unsweetened plant-based milk. Several varieties of plant-based milk are keto-friendly, including soy, almond, and coconut milk. You should choose unsweetened versions. Sweetened options have too much sugar to be considered appropriate for keto. Additionally, you should avoid oat milk because even unsweetened oat milk is too high in carbs to be keto-friendly. Number 8. High-fat veggies. Avocados and olives, while technically both fruits, are unique among vegetables in that they're fairly high in fat. They also contain fiber and are low in net carbs. Oleuropein, the main antioxidant in olives, has anti-inflammatory properties and may protect your cells from damage. Additionally, one study found that people who ate one avocado per day experienced improvements in heart health risk factors, including lower levels of LDL or bad cholesterol.